we have a large number of deals that we're looking at, and some of them are actually good deals. So I think you will see that we will be investing, bailing out, saving multiple projects.
After the $1 billion Voyager bailout, which is the next project that Binance is working on, there's some big rumors going around. This is your Altcoin Buzz news. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop our latest content. Be sure to follow us on Twitter at AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. And don't forget, for a limited time, our Altcoin Buzz Access group is free, and while it is, you can get our great weekly market and NFT update reports from our amazing research team. Check them out for free now. The link is in the description below. Now, let's get into the news. Blockfi customers could be in luck soon. Bankrupt crypto lender Blockfi has asked a U.S. court to greenlight customer withdrawals that are locked up on the platform. Blockfi was one of the first victims of the contagion caused by crypto exchange FTX's collapse in early November. They filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection on November 28th, less than a month after halting withdrawals from the platform. This could be good news for customers of Blockfi, and any customers who deposited new funds after the platform paused will also be able to withdraw those funds. In an email to Blockfi users being shared on Twitter, the company said, "It is our belief that clients unambiguously own their digital assets in their Blockfi wallet accounts." The email added that Blockfi will be seeking similar relief with the Supreme Court of Bermuda with respect to wallets held on Blockfi International. The court hearing on the motion is set for January 9th, 2023. Binance US has agreed to buy bankrupt crypto lender Voyager Digital's assets for $1.02 billion. The bid represents the fair market value of Voyager's crypto portfolio, which has a current market valuation around $1 billion. Voyager paused withdrawals in July and filed for bankruptcy amid liquidity issues arising from its exposure to a $650 million loan default from defunct hedge fund Three Arrows Capital. Voyager said in a statement the Binance US bid aims to return crypto to customers in kind in accordance with court-approved disbursements and platform capabilities. Binance CEO CZ had said last month that the exchange's US wing would be making a fresh bid for Voyager Digital after being denied earlier this year in favor of FTX. Binance US's president and CEO Brian Schroeder tweeted, "We hope our selection brings to an end the painful bankruptcy process which saw customers unfairly dragged into it at no fault of their own. Our goal is simple: return users their cryptocurrency on the fastest timeline possible." He also said that once the deal is completed, Voyager users will be finally able to access their digital assets on the Binance US platform. Three Arrows Capital co-founder Suzu tweeted that the Binance buyout of Voyager is likely to give users a chance to withdraw or hold the remaining funds as crypto instead of waiting for liquidation. Binance also gets customer acquisition. The FTX attempted buyout was so Alameda wouldn't have to return its own loan from Voyager, so it looks like Binance buying up Voyager is the best possible outcome right now. The deal is set to close by April 18th, 2023. A hearing will be held by the presiding bankruptcy court to approve the purchase agreement on January 5th, 2023.
Bad companies, the companies that does not have product market fit, that's poorly managed, those things should not be propagated. Those things should not be bailed out. So that's one extreme. And the good companies, of course, they have no trouble raising money, and we would love to invest. And there's somewhere in the middle where, some companies make minor mistakes. The first time going through a bear market, they have good products, good teams, etc. So we just got to help them out a bit. And those things we're perfectly willing to do. And we're looking at a high number of deals like that.
As CZ mentioned in this clip from back in July this year, Binance is planning to bail out multiple companies, and it might not stop at Voyager. There's some big rumors going around that Binance may also be bailing out Celsius. According to Tiffany Fong, who was the first to get an interview with Sam Bankman-Fried and the leaked Celsius files, she has reason to believe Binance will place a bid on Celsius's assets, saying her source asked her to refrain from sharing additional details until the second round of bids is placed to avoid disrupting bidding procedures. If this is the case, then like Voyager, it's possible Celsius could also give users a chance to withdraw or hold the remaining funds as crypto instead of waiting for liquidation. For more information about Binance, we have multiple articles on our website, which I'll put in the recommended reading down below. Former FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried, currently in the custody of the Bahamian authorities, has reportedly agreed to be extradited to the United States to face charges. Bankman-Fried's legal team said it planned to prepare documents to have him reappear before the Bahamas magistrate court sometime this week. Bankman-Fried reportedly had wanted to see the indictment against him before he agreed to be extradited to the United States. He faces charges from the Justice Department, the Commodities Futures Trading Commission, and the SEC related to defrauding investors and lenders, as well as violations of campaign finance laws. He could be looking at a 115-year sentence if convicted. The bankrupt cryptocurrency exchange FTX has stated that it's considering using legal means to recoup any payments or contributions made by its affiliated companies and former executives, which may include the millions of dollars donated to political causes by the company's former CEO, Sam Bankman-Fried. The exchange has issued a warning to anyone who received payments from FTX or its previous leaders, stating that it intends to retrieve any money lost even if it's donated to a good cause. Ethereum founder Vitalik has shared 3 huge opportunities yet to be realized in crypto: mass wallet adoption, inflation-resistant stablecoins, and Ethereum-powered website logins. Buterin addressed the fact that the decentralized application acceptance wave has passed and that there are fewer opportunities for developers to enter the market and produce fresh decentralized applications. He asserted that more improvements to wallet infrastructure are required to make cryptocurrencies easier for regular consumers to use and to make sure they can handle billions of users. Secondly, Buterin said that the creation of a hyperinflation-resistant and globally accessible stablecoin that can withstand all types of conditions, both on-chain and in the broader macroeconomy, would be revolutionary for the industry. Lastly, Buterin said that any technical developments that could contribute towards Ethereum taking login powers away from Facebook, Google, Twitter, and other centralized monopolies would ultimately enable Ethereum to capture more market dominance on internet-based applications. Yesterday, our partners at DeFi protocol Fluidity launched on the Ethereum mainnet, bringing to the space their spend-to-earn model that rewards users for simply spending, receiving, or swapping wrapped stablecoins. Users of the protocol get rewards through transacting with wrapped assets in everyday transactions, like paying for rent and food, or participating in DEXs, NFT marketplaces, and blockchain games. The launch comes after 50,000 users have stress-tested the network's protocol on the Ethereum testnet and Solana devnet. The fast-growing protocol has already garnered support from major players like Multicoin Capital and Circle, and has received $1.3 million in seed funding. Find out how you can get rewarded for making everyday transactions with your crypto, like paying for rent and food, with Fluidity Money. I'll have a link for it down below. The Polygon blockchain has partnered with neobanking app Hi and Mastercard to introduce a platform that allows users to create a personalized Web3-focused NFT debit card. Holders of the NFT debit Mastercard can spend either crypto or fiat currencies at 90 million global merchants. Users can also mint any personal NFT for the cover of their debit card with 0 gas fees. The partnership is the latest strategic move by Polygon, which is trying to become the face of gasless fees for NFTs. According to the announcement, users must download the Hi app, open an account, and choose a card level of silver or higher in order to qualify. After this, they'll be able to create custom cards using Polygon-based NFTs. As Web3 gaming continues to grow, a couple of games are at the forefront of the movement, those being Illuvium and Citizen Conflict. We recently posted a full interview with the founders of both on our channel. Make sure to check out that interview to see why we think it could be bigger than DeFi. I'll put the link in the description below. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz news update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.